Tufungulia zulia hili ni Irene Mutonyi kwa niaba ya watoto wa mwenda zake. Karibu sana Irene, tumpigie makofi anapokuja. Karibu sana.
Good morning, everyone. Your Excellency, all honorable guests, and all family and friends. We thank God for this privilege. I thank God for this privilege of reading the tribute on behalf of the children of Wanjau, who are childhood friends and very close to us. We thank God. Tribute to our loving mother. In every corner of our hearts, there resides an unwavering love and guidance of a remarkable woman. Our mother, her gentle touch, her warm smile, and boundless patience have been a great source of strength and comfort. From our early days of our childhood, she has been our constant companion, our confidant, and our greatest cheerleader. Her selflessness is a beacon of light in a world that often feels dark and uncertain. She has sacrificed so much to ensure that we had every opportunity to thrive and grow. Through sleepless nights, countless school projects, and every triumph and failure, she has stood by our side with unwavering support. Our mother's wisdom is a treasure we hold dear. Her words of advice, often spoken in quiet moments of reflection that have guided us through life's most challenging decisions. Her ability to listen without judgment and offer guidance with love has shaped the adults that we are today. In her eyes, we see a reflection of the love that knows no bounds, a love that has weathered the storms of life and emerged stronger with each passing day. Her resilience, her kindness, and her unwavering faith in us have been the foundation upon which we have built our dreams. As we look back on the memories we have created together, we are filled with gratitude. The laughter we have shared, the tears we have shed, and the countless moments of joy and sorrow have woven a tapestry of love that will forever bind us. To our mother, thank you for being the heart of our family, the anchor in our lives, and the embodiment of unconditional love. Your legacy of compassion and strength is a gift we will carry with us always. We are proud to be your children and eternally grateful for the love you gave us. In the words of Terry Gilmet, those we love and lose are always connected by heartstrings into infinity. Let us be encouraged in knowing that our mother rests in a better place. And to Mercy, Jimmy, and Lucy, and in honor of the late Ken, we say, may God enable us to carry this baton. May God enable you to carry this baton that she has left behind, of the virtue that she has left with us. God bless you.
Asante sana Irene Mutonyi, tumpigie makofi mazuri tafadhali. Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, sasa naomba kumwalika Hillary aweze kutuletea wasia ambayo ameandaa. Karibu sana Hillary. Karibu sana, tumpigie makofi mazuri.
Good afternoon. My name is James Wanjau. I'm the father to Hillary and to Maini Wanjau, who for various reasons could not join us. One is in the US, in South Africa, and the other one is in UK. We are saddened to dawn upon the news of Shosho's passing. It is with heavy hearts that we mourn, but with a fruitful spirit that we praise. We celebrate the remarkable woman she was, that cared, nurtured, loved endlessly. Thank you, Shosho, for leaving us an indelible mark in our life, gracing us with your wisdom, love, and presence. Thank you.
Asante sana Jimmy kwa niaba ya Hillary. Tumpigie makofi mazuri tafadhali. Asante Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais. Sasa naomba kumwalika Watiri. Karibu sana, utuletee wasia ambayo umeandaa. Tumpigie makofi mazuri.
Thank you. My name is Wanjau, mother to Watere and Wamoyo, and they've requested me to read their tribute on behalf. I'll start with Watere. It was a pleasure to live with my Shosho at home, and I'll forever cherish the little moments that we had together. May she rest in peace. For Wamoyo, you know, as a child, you tend to be obsessed with somebody. For me, that was my Shosho. As you know, Shosho had a passion for teaching, and as a teacher, she always used to teach me maths. Whenever she came to Nairobi or we went to Nanyuki, I would always run up to her, excitedly for her to teach me. I was so inseparable from her that I made sure to be as close to her at all times, so much so that I had to sleep in the same room as her. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Kikuyu naming system, but if not, let me explain. The firstborn takes the father's parents' names depending on their gender, and the secondborn takes the mother's parents' name. I am a secondborn, so I took my Shosho's name, Mudhoni or Wamoyo. And funny enough, people say that I look like my Shosho, proving that the naming system is actually accurate. Overall, my Shosho was a great person deep down, and I will miss her very much. Rest in peace, Shosho.
Shukran sana Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais. Sasa naomba kumwalika Wamoyo. Wamoyo tafadhali njoo. Asante sana. Sasa Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, naomba kumwalika Ndirango Ngare. Tumpigie makofi mazuri anapokuja. Karibu sana.
Good afternoon. My name is Ndirango Ngare. I read the tribute on behalf of the nephews and nieces. Auntie Susan, as we sit here remembering you, we are flooded with memories of the remarkable woman you are and the lasting impact you had on all of us. We appreciate the love and support you gave us. You are a constant source of support and inspiration. Thank you for being a beacon of light in our lives. We promise to honor you and to honor you by living our lives with the same grace and love you showed us. Thank you for every moment, every lesson, and every memory, with all our love. Thank you.
Asante sana Ndirango. Tumpigie makofi mazuri tafadhali. Asante. Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais atakaye tufunguia zulia hili ni Daktari Wanjiru kwa niaba ya marafiki. Karibu sana daktari, tumpigie makofi mazuri anapokuja. Karibu sana.
Thank you, Your Excellency, sir. Na familia ya Susan, thank you for coming to honor us. My name is Dr. Elizabeth Wambogo. I'm the younger sister to Susan, so auntie to Mercy Wanjau and all the other siblings. I'm here to read the tribute from friends. And I just want to say I'm Dr. Wambogo because of Mama Susan. Every time I closed school, she had to ensure she knows how I'm performing. And she said, I have to go on with school until I see kibao imeandikwa, no school ahead. So that is when I reached, na sijaona kibao ingine. Okay, I read from Nyambura Munywa, a very close family friend. And if you see in the tribute is written, Dogidi, those are socks, handmade. So Nyambura used to make all her socks, and I'm here to confirm because I did make sure that where she lays, she has a pair of those. I met Mom when I was about 13 to 14 years old. A typical teacher, she was strict to the core. I remember loving the milk from her farm that she would deliver to my mom. Her signature words were always, Kaukaria torere tuana. Initially, I abhorred her strictness as a teacher, like any typical teenager. But as I grew up and adjusted to adulthood, we reconnected. I remember her as a staunch and committed member of the Presbyterian Church. In my adult years, we formed a great friendship. We would call each other and visited her regularly. During my visits, we would catch up on life. I would update her on my engagements at the time. We always made time for God as well. Mom loved to sing and would sing all the time. Jeso jikaria muteine, gethimaine kia utugi, hero erwa kuhonania, rumaga gorogoda. She made me buy my Kikuyu hymn book, Nyebo Siako Ineragai. I'll banter with her to jog her memory with the hymns during her sickness. She remembered so many hymns by heart, word for word. It was clear indication that she truly loved God. She also encouraged me to join the Women's Guild. In our conversations, we had agreed that she would accompany me to church and introduce me as a Women's Guild follower. She encouraged me to renew my PCA membership and renew my redoubled commitment to church. I did, but I never got to tell her that I'd been cleared to rejoin the church. Time was never on my side. She would tell me several times how important it was to get educated first before marriage. That is to say, Soma, boys aside. I could write so much about her. She was my friend and my mother. My life and friendship with her taught me many things: love for God, love for family, and to live in modesty. Rest in peace, Mom. I'll terribly miss you. Koma thayo murata.
Asante sana daktari, tumpigie makofi mazuri. Asante. Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais, tumefika tamati ya sehemu hiyo ya wasia. Naomba kwa heshima niweze kukabidhi usukani kwa kanisa. Karibu sana.